Very good morning, my friends. Today, we have to study, we have to consider, we have to understand what type of MCQs are asked there with the help of this chapter number 9. In the chapter number 9 also, different types of the informations are available there. From those information, you can prepare MCQs. But what are the probable MCQs are there which can be useful for your exam purpose? Those probabilities we are going to discuss here. Okay. First MCQ is given under your chapter number 9. What is it? Testing of hypothesis is used in. What is it? Testing of hypothesis is used in dash dash. Four alternatives are given. Testing of hypothesis is used in every research, inferential statistics, both A and B, and none of the above. Your answer will be definitely inferential research. What is the answer? Inferential research, inferential statistics, that will be the answer. Okay. Then second question is also there. A study of relationship existing between a population and random samples drawn from the population is called a study of relationship existing between a population and random samples drawn from the population is called sampling theory, sampling frame, sample design, and statistics. What is the correct alternative? Try to understand the statement. A study of relationship existing between population and random samples drawn from the population is called sampling theory. Which theory is called? Sampling theory. That's why right alternative is A, sampling theory. Then third question is there. Sampling errors are the errors which arise on account of dash dash. Sampling errors are the errors which arise on account of dash dash. Frame errors, chance errors, response errors, or all the above. Try to understand the meaning of the statement. Sampling errors which arises on account of frame errors also, that is also possible. Then second thing is also possible. Chance errors may be there, response errors may be there. That's why your right alternative may be, must be, and should be all the above. Okay. Then fourth question is there. We may reject the hypothesis. When it is true. It is called dash dash. We may reject hypothesis when it is true. It is called dash dash. Alternative is given. Type 1 error, type 2 error, human error, or sample error. What is the right alternative? Your right alternative is type 1 error. Okay. What is the right alternative? Type 1 error. Now next question is also given there. We may accept the hypothesis. Read carefully. We may accept the hypothesis when it is false. It is called type 1 error, type 2 error, human error, or sample error. What is the answer of this question? We may accept the hypothesis when it is false. It is called type 2 error. Don't forget it all. What is called? It is called type 2 error. Okay. Then sixth question is also given there. Dash dash tests assume certain properties of parents. Dash dash tests assume certain properties of parents. Population from which certain properties of parent populations from which the sample is drawn, that is non-parametric sample. Okay, what is it? Non-parametric test you can assume. Non-parametric test, not a parametric, not a sample, not a all the above. It means that alternative A, that is the correct alternative. Okay. Then next question is there, question number 7. What is it? Dash dash is measure. Dash dash is measure which evaluate extent to which a set of the observed frequency of a sample divides from the corresponding set of theoretical expected frequency of the sample, which is the correct alternative. Yes, chi-square test you can use there. Which test? Chi-square test or chi-square test it is called, you can use there. Then eighth question is also there. Dash dash is most frequently used test. Look here, listen carefully. Dash dash is most frequently used test in research studies, which is based on binomial distribution, which is based on binomial distribution, by binomial distribution. Try to understand. Binomial distribution is used, and for that purpose, which test you can use? T-test you can use for that binomial distribution. Okay, which test you can use? T-test, not Z, not F, not chi-square. Okay, which test you can use? T-test you can use there. Okay, that's why that is the right answer. Then dash dash was developed by famous statistician R.A. Fisher. Dash dash was developed by famous statistician R.A. Fisher for the analysis of variances. Which test was developed? T-test? No. Z-test? No. F-test? Yes. That was developed by famous statistician R.A. Fisher. Okay, for what purpose? For analysis of the variances. And the last question I would like to discuss with you, dash dash is used for comparing the mean or proportion of the sample. Some hypothesized means or proportion for the population. In case of large sample, when population variance is known as, okay, which test you can use? A, T-test? No, that is not applicable. Z-test? Yes, you can. That's why your alternative is there. Which test you can apply? Your answer will be Z-test we can apply. Okay, in this way we have completed all the chapters for preparation of your MCQ exam. I would like to give best of luck for your exam purpose. Okay, thank you very much.